So we got more stuff that we've bought that I wanted to open up. More lots of video games. We've got here. We got 3 games here. We got Super Right. I can't even read that. ActRaiser 2, Super Mario World, and then this is a Famicom game that I don't even know the name to. Then we got more boxes here.
They wrapped it in paper.
Is that because it's cheaper?
So they could have a free box.
Oh, yeah, because if you're doing that, you have to send it priority.
Yeah, so they got a free box and then wrapped it in paper.
Oh no, this is a console. This is an NES. So this is... You know, I still have yours from when you were little. Never sold it. I still have all your guys' games too. So, oh, we got a free game. Pinball.
Yeah, I was in 8th grade when these came out.
There's got to be something that somebody's invented already.
Well, these are just...
Yeah, these seem fine. This one, I don't think I want to get 7 this one. Yeah.
And you tested the vibration?
Yeah, it's not working.
Okay, I'll have to go through and look at that one again then. We got 2 controllers. This is another NES. That doesn't sound good. So this is Super Contra. This Indiana Jones game right here is worth about 75 bucks. So if it doesn't work, I'm gonna be sad.
I'm sure we make it work.
And there's already something on there wiggling. And then we have Adventure Island and Jaws. These honestly don't look like they're in bad shape either. And we have another NES. This one's really yellow. They freaking jammed that in there. No bonus game. That one looks extremely yellowed compared though. It's kind of gross.
I don't know, that seems like that was the color of them.
No, this is definitely the color. Even this one needs clean too though.
I think they came in that color.
Then this last one, that's what they look like this. This is yellowed.
Some of them
this
did.
is the thing that happens with the NES and the Super Nintendo. It's like a yellow.
They're gonna turn that yellow. I think they came that way.
Oh, I promise you
I
that.
think there were 2 different versions.
This is an original Xbox. This one is disgusting. But maybe it works. What's this?
Oh,
We
those
got 2 games. We got Space Invaders and Crafting Mama.
What are those for?
This is for the Nintendo DS, and that is the Game Boy. This is the Game Boy Color game.
Thing, and then it would turn yellow over time.
That's what would cause it to turn
Yeah,
yellow?
yeah.
How come they all don't do it?
I'm not sure.
I wonder if it depends on where they are.
Yeah.
Ugh, it's gross. Is that a cockroach?
It's not alive, is it?
No. Okay, well, there's another Xbox. Doesn't look like anyone's been in it. Wonder if it works. Definitely needs cleaned. So that's today's lot.
Add it with the others down there.
Yeah, there's 4. Well, should I test this one? It
Yeah.
could work.